Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So in this video, we'll learn about the basic introduction of Material Studio, its basic interface, and basic commands and tools that are very helpful in our simulation. So basically, Material Studio is a DFT based simulation tool on which we develop a simulation on micro scale level to validate our result with the experiment. So first of all, go to the Material Studio. I have Material Studio 2017 version. You open the version that you have. If you don't have any tool like Material Studio in your system, PC or laptop, you simply download it from to the get into PC. So here you see the basic environment. They ask about open an existing project or creating a new project. So start from the scratch. I open, create a new project. I already opened recently a tutorial for a video, this video. So I again open create new project and give him a name tutorial 1. They ask me to replace yes because recently I add tutorial 1 folder from for this tutorial video. Would you like the older content from the project? Yes, because there is no any past data in this project. So when you select the folder that I named tutorial 1, basically it develop a folder of complete work that you should do in this work file. So first of all, you have to open new file. So here you click, you see when you click that they give them different templates. So mostly we use 3D Automistic to see our structure in 3D form. If you have a different file like text file, HTML, grid, Perl script, study table file, you select this type template and open the file in this. So I select 3D Automistic. So 3D Automistic, they give me a black background or blank document. So here you see the option is readily available for us. So for general guidance, you see here a carbon. Here you select different types of elements. They are the basic elements and they connect with the periodic table as well. So here you see the basic periodic table of our all elements that are readily useful in our simulation to simply select any molecule, like I select carbon or whatever you want. I select fluorine. You simply select fluorine, click OK, and you simply click on the black. When one time click mean your one molecule is appear on the surface. For cancellation, you simply click right. So a molecule, one molecule of fluorine is on the main 3D automatic plane. So here you see a different types of options. First of all, basic information that is very necessary for you is to click on right. You have two options, display option and display style. So go to the display style to change the visualization of your molecule. So first of all, you give a different type of option here, stick. You see your molecule, zoom in, zoom out by scrolling, or by, if you have laptop, simply use touch mouse for movement to zoom in, zoom out. Here we mostly use ball and stick. So we select ball and stick here. Here you see a color. We use most of the time default color that is built in Material Studio. So from cancellation, we go to another option that is display option. So here you set the color of legends, here the select of color of background. So here you have a different background that are very attractive or impressive for use, but most of the time we use solid color that is black. Whenever you want to change the background or work on a black or gradient or any other color, you use display option and go to the display option and select what color you want. So here you see a fluorine molecule on the 3D atomistic surface. If you need to develop a chain molecule where you have four members, five members, six members, we have most of the time ring structure in organic or hydrocarbon studies. So go to the six member. Simply you click here and you see one benzene is appear on this surface. If you attach second benzene ring on which side, from this side, so simply go to the center and click. Here you see another surface is attached. When you want to attach this benzene ring here, simply click at that place, at that place, at that center place. If you don't click on center place, they attach on sides. So be careful when you attach a benzene ring here and this one. So it automatically attach with the this benzene ring to complete its structure. So here I make one element and another side I develop a ring type structure. So if you need to autofill hydrogen in hydrocarbons, so you go to the hydrogen and auto update it. So here you see on vacant spaces, all the hydrogen is attached directly to the deficient places where carbon is necessary to bond with the hydrogen or other atom. I select hydrogen, so auto hydrogen is attached with fluorine element and also with the benzene ring. Here you have a four main options. One is 3D viewer selection mode. You have a rotation mode, zoom in, zoom out mode, and structure movement mode. So firstly, this is simply click option. When you having complete your structure, you click simply on this and automatic this selection tool is available for you. Here, when you need to remove rotate your molecule, you simply click on this and rotate the interface. Here you see on vacant spaces directly hydrogen is attached to complete the bond of the carbon. So here you see a line structure. You simply go to the display style as previous I told. Go to the ball and stick. Here you see a complete ball and stick structure is appear. Simply you rotate and zoom in, zoom out by scrolling your lap. I use laptop. If you use mouse, you use scroll to zoom in, zoom out structure. If you change the place, you simply go to this and pick the structure right, left, top, and bottom. Where you attach your molecule or study adsorption study, you need to put the molecule and different location on the adsorbent surfaces, so you sure about the surface bond length and bond distance. For bond length and bond distance, we have the option. If I select again the selection tool, so when I click this molecule, here we have an option of bond length and bond distance. Here you see the option distance and angle. If you check the distance between your adsorbent molecule, so you go to the this, click on this and other molecule. That provide you a proper bond distance between these two molecules. Or if you check the bond angle, you simply go to the angle, click on this and this. Here you see, or if I check about this and this, they provide a 30-degree angle between these three molecules. So here I think you know about the basic using tools like selection tool, rotating, zoom, and translation mode. And here you know about the basic tools like how to select elements and how to select rings. If you need to add any other group like directory or function group, we have the large directory of function group. Go to the fragmented browser and go to the browser, give you a detailed directory. Here I have legends, metal templates, rings. Here I have amino acids, functional groups. Like go to the functional group. I want to attach amide. So simply here I click amide and simply go to there. You see amide group is attached. Here amide group is attached. One thing that is very crucial and important in your simulation work. First you attach hydrogen, then it replaces with the any other functional group. In this software, the directly functional group is not attached on the carbon or any other elements. So first you attach hydrogen and then the hydrogen directly replace with the other group. I check carboxylate, I use this and attached on that hydrogen. On other hand, if you want to attach any ethyl group, so go to that and click on this. You'll see that ethyl group is attached. Metal templates we have at this point, click already metal group is attached. So this is iron based, so automatically attached with the carbon deficient surface or hydrogen replaced by hydrogen. So if you need to change, but you see that there is a double bond, or here we see a single bond or a double bond, or whenever what single, double, or triple bond you have, you want to change the bond. So simply you go to the selection mode and click on that bond line that is connected to carbon or any element with each other. You simply go to the line, or you simply say bond between two elements. Like here you see a stick, so go click on stick and you see this option is open for you to change the bond. Here you have single bond, partial, double bond. I change it single to double. You see change automatically to the double bond as well. You see that this one. So if you want to change into a triple bond, you simply click on triple. You say a triple bond, structure change into triple bond. So if you finalize your structure, here you have a different types of methods on which you run over your simulation to calculate your result. Here we have adsorption locator tool, amorphous cell tool, blend. Here we have cast depth that is most probably used in crystalline materials and general simulation. Here we have CCDC tool, conformers tools, DFTB plus tool that give different methodologies to evaluate our results and validate it from the experiment. So here DMOL3 most common method that is used in adsorption study to treatment wastewater treatment processes, or a bond catalyst study and adsorbent study. So it is most frequent used tool in Material Studio. So along with that, you see a foresight tool. Gaussian tool is also most famous tool. On Gaussian, it is is built in this software. On other hand, there is a proper tool of Gaussian on which you completely run your simulation and evaluate your results. GULP, kinetics tool, mesodyne tool, mesosite, and morphology tool we have as well. And I have also shortage of battery, so morphology tool, one step tool, polymorph tool, and so on we have to run our simulation to validate our result. Hope so in this tutorial you learn about the basic tools and how to put your elements, ring like structure, or your functional group in the in molecule or attach with the molecules, auto hydrogen, how to add bond or change the bond between two elements. Also you learn about the bond distance and angle, and also torsional as well. So simply when you complete your work, go to the control S. This automatically save in your that folder, and that is already save in your computer local disk D or C. So I hope so. Okay, it is very helpful video tutorial for you. So in next video, we learn about to design another different type of structures and also how to use CASDAP or Dmol 3 in Material Studio. So take care of yourself and goodbye.